So I'm doing two things basically. One is as an application engineer, or people would also know it as sales application engineer. So how it works is that we have, the company that I work for, we're dealing with 3D printing. So we also have software. So how do we then want to spread 3D printing, 3D technology around other businesses? I'm also a project manager, and in which if they're unable to uptake this technology themselves, we can do it for them.
Noramirah currently works for Materialise, a Belgian company that specializes in 3D printing for multiple industries. They go from visualizing the human anatomy in 3D to making it possible for you to hold a 3D printed model of your own heart. Being an engineer or a doctor is already challenging. Combining those two seems outright impossible. But Noramirah got there.